Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your password on Qwen AI. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web browsing application. For me, it's Google. In Google search bar, you have to type in Qwen AI and it will get you to the Qwen platform. From the home page, you have to tap into the profile icon at the top right corner. In the pop-up, select Settings. In the setting interface, you have to tap on profile icon, which is at the last. Here you can see your profile details, and on the second row you can see the option of change password. Tap on it. In the pop-up you can see the process to update your password. In the first bar you have to write your current password, and on the second bar you have to type in your new password, and at last you have to retype your new password in order to confirm it. And you just have to simply press on update password, and it's quite simple and easy. So this is how you change your password on Qwen AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos, and don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.